looks fucking nasty. Jesus. That's where this car shines. Alright guys, welcome back. We got fucking Rhett's car today, and it's got a few mods, so we're gonna go over it and see what it do.
What's going on, guys? My name is Rhett. This is my 2014 CLA 45 AMG. It's a little dirty, so don't mind that. So I've done some work to it. Besides the exterior carbon fiber, which I have a new full front aero splitter and diffuser coming in. We got the grille with a light up star. Did a full chrome delete, and then as far as performance mods, so far I have a full AMS intake with a dry carbon inlet.
Can we check it out? Can we pop the hood? All right.
So we have the AMS intake, the dry carbon inlet, put a blow-off valve on it, and then I just upgraded to the pure turbo 550.
Oh shit, upgraded turbo.
Yep, we got catless downpipe in, car's straight piped as well, so obviously it's pretty loud. I'm on a Waze Tech custom stage 3 tune. We just spent the past week, we're on revision 8, and just have a little bit of timing left, so right now it's probably about 460 to the wheels, 3,000 pounds. She moves DCT transmission, so it's awesome. The next thing I'm going to do next month is we're doing a full water meth injection kit, and I'm going to run E30 just because the E85 pumps are a little kind of iffy so far for this car for the companies that have made them. So yeah, she's a mover.
Cool. All right, well, the last time you guys seen this car, it was pretty much stock. And now we're on upgraded turbos and full bolt-on, so let's go for a spin. And we are on tire. This is all-wheel drive and Toyo R888s, so we should have no problem hooking up. So let's do this. Alright guys, let's do this shit. Got the boost gauge right here. It's pretty sick. AEM.
And the AFR gauge is going right here tonight.
Alright, here we go. First gear pull. Uphill. Oh man, feels good, dude. Feels hella good. Man, hear the turbo fucking good now.
Yeah, right?
Fucking good. It's smooth. Feels hella smooth. you like it with the tires. That shit grips hella good.
Yeah, the grip is awesome, dude. It just sticks so fast, and especially now, the past couple like days, it's been warmer out.
Yeah.
So it's just been really easy to heat up.
How much boost are you on right now?
34 pounds.
Fuck, 34 pounds?
Yeah.
That's a fucking lot.
Yeah, if they go back, they'll be able to see it in the video too.
Yeah. Those fucking pops sound legit. To set this thing up fucking 85. It's gonna be fucking badass. Cool. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Fucking hit that subscribe button. We'll tune back in with Red again when he goes meth injection in the 85. Late.